Hello, this is Ashley, and I'll be going over the wicked problem of snacking among elementary public school children. So the Snacking Telegraph is a online or a physical newspaper. It's a special edition, and it can be sent home with children to their parents, and it could be published in the newspaper and or it can be included as a flyer or handout. So I feel like this is a great format to get some information out because it can appeal to people in short and sweet segments, just like snacks do. So there'll be a section on breaking news where you can compare how snacking has changed over the years, how it's gone from the 70s, which is depicted in dark blue, to the early 2000s in light blue, and how the changes are not so equal. So snacking, not all snacks are created equal. The nutrient density of snacks, it really determines whether a snack is healthy or not. Changes in the horizon. So rolling out a nationwide program for the school year 2014-2015, Smart Snacks Initiative is going to eliminate the access children have to sugary beverages, treats, snacks, candies, and this low-dense nutrient snacks. And they'll be replaced with peanuts, popcorn, whole grains, flavored waters, and they will be part of these standards that we can stand on. So foods must be whole grain rich. They must have the first ingredient be listed as a fruit, vegetable, dairy product, protein food, or it must be a combination food with at least a quarter cup of these things as the main ingredient. The caloric intake is going to be limited to 200 calories. The snack may not contain more than 200 milligrams of sodium, and there's also fat limits and sugar limits for these snacks. Portion control and self-control are going to be a large part of this. So students will be limited to 8-ounce beverages while they're in middle school, elementary school. Middle school and high school students will be allowed 8-ounce, 12-ounce options as well as 8-ounce options. Add-ons like butter, dressing, and cream cheese will be included within the entire caloric intake of the food. And that will be something that is considered part of it, not just like, oh, here's a bagel, and then you add the cream cheese on as an extra. It'll all be included now, so it'll help reduce the overindulgence. I wanted to put a section in on to motivate people. It's never too late to make a change. Be the change you want to see, and some suggestions. So instead of bringing donuts, cake, or other less nutrient-dense foods to work or to parties or to get-togethers, try to bring a bag of oranges, a bunch of bananas, trail mix, or even if you want to get people to eat these more healthy snacks, you can take an orange, cut it into quarters, and then stick a toothpick in and make a little flag. And you can say they're pirate ships. People are more likely to eat things that are visually appealing, cute, in quotation marks, of course. So things like that will give you ideas and inspiration on how to appeal to the public and people to get them to eat more healthy snacks. Overcoming the snack attack. So the tip of the iceberg is what is needed to be reduced and limited, while the submerged part of the iceberg is what is needed to be increased and improved. So you want to decrease your sugary sweetened beverages as well as overconsumption of snacks. Moderation is key. Nutrition's a journey. Reduction and moderation of less nutrient-dense foods is essential. And the increase in education and financial security, food security, as well as policies. Working together as a society, community, organizations, families as individuals as well can help achieve and improve our snacking habits and the future of snacking. So I included here a section on tips, tricks, and snack guidance. I wanted to emphasize that nutrition is a journey and it's about moderation, and that's the key to success. Whenever possible, try to save wrappers, containers, etc., and store them in a collection point so you can visually keep track of how you're doing. And you can try to curb your overindulgence. If you realize, wow, I ate that entire bag of chips, you might be less likely to go have another snack, or you might reduce your habits in the future if you keep track of things. Because the science of snacking is snacks are marketed, designed, and formulated to be appealing to the eye, taste buds, and the wallet. More often than not, people choose the snacks based on visual appearance, taste, if they're able to be portable, their price, access to them, spoilage rate, and how easy they are to be acquired. And a lot of times people buy things in bulk because it's easier, it's cheaper, and it's fast. And these usually don't have the highest nutrient content. I put in here some snacking basics, just reiterating some of the things that I've said before, and a visual representation of snacking today. So the number of snacks that about a fifth of American children eat per day is 6. The average being 3, but the 1/5 of people identify, well, children identify as having 6 snacks per day, opposed to 30 years ago. 1 out of 2 kids can get junk food at school, but according to this Smart Snacks initiative, that hopefully will be changing, and we'll see a great reduction in that. I also put in a section about being in control of your health and snack advocates getting involved. So the CDC, USDA, FDA, AHA, American Diabetes Association, Cancer Society, they're all teaming up and getting together to try to overcome the issues that we're having. Snacking is a large part of people's obesity, diabetes. It has a large part in your health, and it takes a quarter of your calories per day. So it's no wonder why all these health conditions are on the rise. And these are preventable health conditions. If you can reduce your snacking and you can reduce the amount of calories taken that are low nutrient dense, then you can decrease your risk factors. You can decrease the chances of developing illness and or increase the your health status and your chances of dying from these diseases. So overall, I think that a newspaper would be a great way to reach and target people, as well as it keeps things kind of segmented, and it keeps things from getting redundant and boring. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me and comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day.